Hi, welcome to Pop's Grill and Q. I got a request from one of my viewers. They wanted to know basically how to make ghee. Well, in order to make ghee, you gotta have to have butter. So what I thought I'd do is I would incorporate two recipes into one. Doing the butter and then making the ghee. And basically the butter is gonna come out similar to this right here, or exactly like this. I made this last night. This is butter. It's not salted or anything, but just plain butter. But I'll show you the process, how this works. What you're gonna need to do is just get some heavy cream. That's all you need. It's whipping cream. And into this bowl here, we're gonna put 4 cups. One. And that's 2. And what you do is you start your mixer on slow, and then gradually as it starts to firm up, you'll increase your speed. So what we'll do is we'll set this down. We'll put it on low, get it started, and we'll let that go. And it's probably gonna take about 10 minutes or so for this cream to kind of harden up, to form almost like a dough, like you're doing a bread. But I'm not gonna let y'all go ahead and stand here for 10 minutes and watch me do this. So I'll be back. Okay, we're back, and you can see the consistency of the butter now. You have your fats that are in the so what I'm going to do is I'm going to go ahead and just turn it off. And you can see where the fats have been now added to the blade here. And what you see at the bottom is really buttermilk. But this is your butter right here. And what we're going to do is we're going to put this in some ice water. And what that's going to do is going to help it form it real quick. So I was trying to think of the name of this thing. I couldn't think of it. Yeah, I call it a whipping blade, I guess. And for your people who know how to bake, you know what I'm talking about here. But basically, you take this apart, take the butter out. This is buttermilk in here. We'll put this in some ice water. What's it's going to do is going to help it firm it up real quick. And it gets real hard, almost like dough. Okay. Now what we're going to do basically now is squeeze the water out. Put it on your parchment paper. And all you do is form it. However you want to do it. You have a rectangle, you can have a round one. However you want to do it. Now, the good thing about this is unsalted. And you could put salt in here. You could put a little honey in here. You could put a little dill in here. A little maple syrup would go good with pancakes. A little garlic. Roast some garlic. Incorporate that with that. But what you do is just let it set. This is parchment paper. And all I do is I fold it. And I'll wrap it up, put this in the fridge. Now, after you have the butter, in order to make ghee, and ghee basically is clarified butter. And the thing about clarified butter is that you can cook with the clarified butter up to 480 degrees, which means you can cook steaks or eggs or all that without the butter burning. And what I did was basically put my butter into this Pyrex container, and I put my oven around 250 degrees until the butter melted. And what you'll see here is the end result. If you take a closer shot at this, this is what the ghee looks like. And what I do is you gotta take a spoon, because you have solids that'll go to the bottom, and all you're looking to do is to basically take the clarified butter and add it to your bowl. Now this is a little bit, it's not tedious, but it takes a little time to do this. But it's well worth it, because in the morning, when I cook my eggs, I just take a couple of tablespoons of this and throw it in my pan, and I don't have to worry about my butter burning. Another good thing about this too with the ghee is that, say you got some chicken, you can put this on your chicken skin, and when you put your chicken on the grill, it'll go ahead and crisp up that chicken, and then put your sauce over it. It makes a real crunchy chicken or fish. And basically that's all the process is. So basically what we did today was we took some whipped cream, 4 cups, put it in our mixer. Took about 10 minutes for it to harden up. Once the water forms, the buttermilk forms at the bottom, you pull it out, put it in an ice bath, and you form your butter. And with the cost of things today, you know, for whipping cream, you have now whipping cream and butter. And then if you want ghee, all you do is put it in a dish like this at 250 degrees, scoop it out, put it in your jar. 2 birds with 1 stone. Hey, I hope you appreciate this video. Remember, if you like the video, please share, like, hit the notify button, and listen, it was great seeing you today. Hope to see you soon.